Alert is more explosives detection, where SENTRY is more protecting from well, weapons of mass destruction. More specifically, it's to protect soft targets, which are pedestrians on a sidewalk in a city, kids in schools, worshipers in houses of worship. My name is Carey Rappaport. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Northeastern University. This is the end of my 35th year here. So I'm deputy director of SENTRY, but also a thrust leader for the RB thrust, which is the advanced sensor development. The RB thrust area is looking at electromagnetic sensors, and that's my particular specialty, and chemical sensors. Things that might be mounted on drones to sniff out to see if there's evidence of explosive vapors or gun oil, using laser analysis to find the spectrum of reflected absorption or reflected materials at a distance using telescopic laser effects. And radar is being used by SENTRY to identify, well, basically big metallic objects on individuals in crowds. Sort of being able to identify those features of people in the crowd that may be looking a little bit different. If they're looking the wrong way, if they're not hurrying when other people are hurrying, if they are hurrying when other people aren't, if they seem to be carrying more stuff when no one else is carrying stuff. The pressure cooker bomber for the Boston Marathon, most people might have had a picnic lunch, but probably weren't carrying pressure cookers. That's something that's a little unusual. That's just a little off. If we can sort of find a way of automatically interpreting what the video cameras are viewing, so you don't have to have 100,000 humans looking at 10 million cameras. We're going to really have to be creative and effective to find something that doesn't falsely identify people, it doesn't terrify kids, it doesn't get in the way of spectators watching sports. I mean, everything that we use to try to help us identify threats compromises life's experiences a little bit, and finding that right level is really challenging.